It's really interesting when you look at cyber and what makes cyber successful. It's the ability to recover and the ability to discover. How do I see everything? And then how do I recover if it goes bad? When you look at recovery was never built to do this job. It wasn't built as a cyber solution. It was built as a oops, hardware failed solution, because when this stuff started, the hardware was wicked unreliable. Along comes ransomware, along comes this idea of not you'll never get hacked, not we may be hacked sometime in the future, but how bad will it be when it's going to happen? Because it's going to happen, if it hasn't already. And one of the things that has me excited about this, and Commvault is on that list of excitement, is a fundamental change in recovery to think about what is my business, what is required to get my business to run, and how do I restore that as quickly as possible in a way that doesn't also restore the infection. So it's a philosophical approach that requires, again, we're restoring business, not restoring data. The default is restore data, fire the applications back up. Again, we're restoring business. So when you think about it from that perspective, you actually think about it like you turn the entire problem on its head and think about it that way. And Commvault did that. You have to recreate virtual systems. You have to recreate all these microservices. You have to recreate whatever it is that's required to make your business run. And you have to orchestrate it end to end. And you have to do it when sources and destinations change, but you still have to make them appear as fully integrated as possible. And Commvault has all of that tooling. They did all of the acquisitions necessary to put all of the tooling together to be able to execute that end to end.